Hey guys, what's up? Thanks for liking our previous videos. This is Khushbu. Today we are going to talk about how to register a subsidiary in India. Whenever any foreign company is having more than 50% stake in any Indian company, it is known as the Indian subsidiary. And why do people want to register in India? So as the Indian economy is growing substantially and Indian market is a major attraction point for the foreigners, they want to know how they can set up a business in India for their foreign entity. So there are total three prerequisites that you keep in mind before registering a company in India. First is director, second is shareholders, and third is the main business activity of the company. There must be minimum 2 shareholders in the company. Both the shareholders can be individual or non-individual, and there should be minimum 2 directors in the company, out of which one must be Indian resident director. The Indian resident director must be an Indian citizen plus resident of India. Okay, and now the third point is main business activity. So the main business activity of the company must be a permitted activity, which must be permitted by the Government of India guidelines. So the document required for the parent company are company's charter document like company's registration certificate, company's MOA, and company's any utility bill, which is the latest one. The document required for the foreign director are: first is the passport, second ID proof. You can provide voter ID, driving license, or any other ID proof issued by the government, and the third is address proof. You can provide any utility bill or bank statement, which is latest one. The document required for the Indian director are PAN card, Aadhaar card. For the ID proof, you can provide voter ID, driving license, or passport. And for the address proof, you can provide any utility bill or bank statement. And make sure that all the documents that you provide for the address proof must be in the name of respective person or company. The documents required for the registered office address of the Indian company are: first, utility bill, second, NOC from the person whose name is printed on that utility bill, and third, any rent or lease agreement between the owner and the new company. The documents provided by the foreign director or the foreign company must be notarized and apostille or consularized by the competent authority. The competent authority differs from country to country, which depends on the treaty between the member countries. So, the process to register a subsidiary in India is: first, the name application. So, for the name application, you need to provide us 2 unique names which should not be similar with the existing Indian company or should not be similar with the existing registered trademark in India. You can even provide the same name which is used by the parent company in its country of origin. For the same, you need to provide documents such as board resolution by the parent company and NOC in case the parent company wants to use the same name in India. The second process is digital signature application, wherein you need to go through some verification process, after which your final digital signature will be approved. Number 3. Document preparation. Once we receive the name approval from the ministry, we will prepare some documents like consent, declarations, and MOA of the company and send it to you for your signatures. Once you send us the signed scan copy of all the documents, we will go for the next step. Number 4. Company registration application. Once we receive all the signed documents, we will make an application with the ministry for the company registration along with all the required documents. If the ministry feels all the documents are in order, they will approve the application and your company will be registered. I hope this video was informative for you. There is lot more to know about Indian subsidiaries, so we have provided few links in the description box below. You can go and read about them. And if you have any further questions, you can leave your queries in the comment section below. One of our teammates will get back to you. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.